Hello, I'm going to do a quick video to show you a few different ways that you can get a video on the site. So I'm going to go in here to edit. And for most of the things, we do have the option that you can use YouTube or Vimeo because our clients have both. So if I go in here to add a widget, there are a couple of different widgets that can facilitate adding a video. The photo video gallery is one way, and you can do this by just adding one item and putting in here the video ID. You see here there's a video type, so you can choose YouTube or Vimeo. I'm going to choose YouTube just because I have that open. So I can go over here, I can click on this, and then you'll see, I think you know where because I saw that you had it. So you can highlight this ID here and go in here and do that and press save. So that's one way. And I will view the page. I'll show you this at the bottom here. So it will look like this if you add it through the photo video gallery. Another way that you could add it is through the embed code, which would just be a straight embed. And you probably don't need to do this since we have the photo and video gallery, which essentially does the same thing. But if you did, and you can embed any kind of content here for anything that lets you get this embed code. So we'll go here to share on YouTube, and then this will give you the embed code. And so you can click here and copy and paste this into here and press save. And so we can refresh this. And then we'll scroll to the bottom and we'll see that they'll look pretty similar, I think. Oh, I didn't, I lied. I forgot to save a new. I just changed that one into another one. So the thing about the embed code and why you probably just want to use the video gallery is they do set the height and width. So if you use the embed code, you have to make an adjustment to what you want this size to be in that. But you can't. So you can use embed code. Anything that has an embed, you can put in, and it will display. And obviously this embed code I would need to work with a little bit. So another reason why I recommend don't use the embed code. The other way that you could do it is through this new 2-column widget. So here, if we put this embed code in here, and press, of course my little screen recorder is right in the wrong way. And then if we refresh, you'll see this is it in the 2-column widget. Let me just do a title and press save so we can see what that looks like. So you'll see here, you could put this, and then you could put a second one here. The other way that you could accomplish this, because you guys also have the activity tiles that also allow you to do the same thing. So you could go back to here and just get your individual YouTube code, put it in here, and press save. And then this one gives you, the title, your button text, and everything. So then if I scroll to the bottom, then it works out like that tile. So yes, there are several ways to do it. You can use YouTube or Vimeo. Vimeo has to be used for the header because that's the only way that we can make sure it doesn't play without sound and that it doesn't have all this YouTube goulash on it. But if you have everything on YouTube, then you can use YouTube for everything in the end page. So let me know if you have any questions on that.